Welcome to Phil 2700 Elementary Logic. I'm Professor Boyce, the designer of this course. I would just like to walk you through a few things that you'll need to know in order to get started. Of course, there are many more details concerning the course on the syllabus, and I strongly encourage you to read that. Not only does it contain information about the format of the course, it also contains information about test dates and other things of that nature that will be of interest to you. Okay, but on a week-to-week basis, what you're going to do is you're going to log into Blackboard, and then you're going to click on this Weekly Units tab. This will bring up the following series of folders. I will try to keep at least 2 weeks posted in advance, often more than that. So for whatever week it is, you're going to want to click on that week. So for week 1, you'd click on week 1. And at the top of that folder, after you've clicked on it, you'll see what is called your path document. Your path document outlines the goals for that week and the steps that you need to take in order to achieve those goals. So you're going to want to follow what your path document says. It tells you what your assignments are and when they are due. So if you look at this path document, under here you have under path you have your steps. So the first thing it tells you to do is watch the course intro video, which you are doing right now. The course intro video, it says, may be found under the Tegrity Classes tab. In general, when you're instructed to watch a video, unless it's a debriefing video, which I'll explain a little bit more about a little later on, but in general, if you're instructed to watch a lecture video, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this Tegrity Classes tab, and that will bring up a list of the various recordings that are available. There are various ways that you can organize these recordings. I recommend organizing them by title. Each recording is tagged to the week that it belongs to. This will enable you to click on these videos and watch the various lectures assigned for that week. Okay, so your steps are to watch the course intro video, then you're to carefully review the syllabus, then you're to watch the Arguments Part 1, What is an Argument video. You do that by going to the Tegrity tab, clicking on it, and finding the video under Week 1 under that title. So you see that video here, Week 1, Arguments Part 1, What is an Argument. Click on that video and watch it. The PowerPoint slides that you will see in that video are also posted here in the Week 1 folder, and that's how things will go in general. The PowerPoint slides associated for the lectures will also be posted in the content of that week's folder, so you could get access to those PowerPoint slides here. However, in general, you will not be able to glean all the information that you can get by watching the video lecture from the PowerPoint slides. I fill in some of the details verbally, so you're going to want to make sure that you watch the video. Okay, after you've watched that video, you are to read a portion of your textbook that's assigned here under Step 4. Then you're to watch another video, Arguments Part 2, Validity and Soundness. Okay, then you get to Step 6. Step 6 asks you to complete and submit a Validity and Soundness worksheet. So to do that, you go down here, you find the Validity and Soundness worksheet, you click on the attached file, complete the worksheet, and then upload your answers, upload that worksheet with your answers back into the system under this Assignment tab. Okay, once you have uploaded your worksheet, what I'm going to call debriefing video will be released to you. The debriefing video is not found under the Tegrity Classes tab. Rather, it's it will be released to you under this week's folder after you have completed this assignment. You are then to watch the debriefing video, and the debriefing video will go over the answers to the worksheet with you. Now, we'll go over them after you've already submitted the worksheet for a grade, so you will not be able to correct your answers for a grade on the basis of watching the debriefing video, but you will be able to see whether you got those answers correct. You must watch the debriefing video. I cannot emphasize enough that it is a crucial part of the content of this course that you watch the debriefing video. Often information will come across through the debriefing videos that will not necessarily come across merely by watching the lectures. That's because this is a course that requires a great deal of practice, and the debriefing videos will show you perhaps where your mistakes were and allow you to correct those mistakes. And sometimes the debriefing videos will also reveal content that you need to know that isn't available in the lectures. So watching the debriefing videos is a crucial part of the course. Please make sure that you do that. Okay, so after you've completed the validity and soundness worksheet, watched the debriefing video, you will then watch another lecture, complete and submit another worksheet, and then watch another debriefing video. And then you will be done with week 1. The other weeks will proceed in a similar manner. So this should be enough information, together with what's on the syllabus, for you to get started with the course. Welcome to the course. I am excited about the fact that you are going over this material with me, and I look forward to interacting with you on further occasions.